Good morning. Today is Monday, November 20, 2023, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sword 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Laka 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 20, 2023, Monday. Here are the STL Sword 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 20, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Monday, November 20, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.